Are you gonna get him? Yay! Get him again.
He had a smile.
Yeah. Go get him again. There's two of them.
You're not gonna knock over my blocks, are you?
Go get him.
Are you gonna knock over my blocks?
Can you get him? Go get him. Yeah, go get him. Get the other one. Go get it. Yay! Good job. You're gonna roll over on blocks. I can't be comfortable. Yay! You going to get Daddy? Go get him. Yeah, good job. Hello. Are you laying on blocks? What's Daddy doing? Go get it. Go get it. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Go get it. He wants it so bad. Go get it.
His eyes are so focused on it.
Yeah, good job. Very good.